Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to learn Standard 8 Mathematics. Today, in this video, we will do revision of 10 sums. These 10 sums you have to solve in your maths notebook. Question number 1. Compare the numbers. Here children, in this question, we have to compare the numbers. For comparison children, we have to see denominator. If denominator is same, then we have to compare the numerators. Here children, minus 39 upon 10, 0 upon 10. In this question, both the term have same denominator. So here we have to compare numerator. Minus 39 and 0. Minus 39 is greater or 0 is greater children? Yes, 0 is greater than minus 39. So, our answer will be children minus 39 upon 10 less than 0 upon 10. Question number 2. Expand the formula. Here children, we have to expand the formula. A plus B whole bracket raised to cube. Here children, this formula we have to expand. Equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Children, you have to learn this formula. Question number 3. Reduce the numbers to its lowest form. 105 upon 5. Here children, these two numbers we have to reduce to its lowest form. Means we have to do the cancellation children. So how to do? Let's see children. 105 upon 5. Now children, these two numbers are divisible by 5. So 5 ones are, 5 twos are 10. Now children, 5 is remain. So 5 ones are 5. So what is the answer children? 21 upon 1 or children 21. Okay children, if denominator is 1, it's not considered. Okay, so we can write directly 21. Question number 4. Find the cube root of the number 216. Here children, we have to find the cube root of 216. is divisible by children 2 because in the unit place which number is there? 6. So 6 is divisible by 2. So the whole number here we divide by 2. We get the answer children 108. So again in the unit place what is there? 8. So that number is divisible by 2. So we get the answer children 54. 54 again it's divisible by 2. So here we get 27. So 27 is not divisible by 2 because in the unit place which number is there children? 7. So it's not divisible by 2. It's divisible by 3. So when we divide 27 by 3 we get children 9. 9 is again divisible by 3. 3 3s are 9. So 3 is divisible by 3. 3 ones are 3. Now, therefore, 216 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Here children, 2 is 3 times and 3 is also 3 times. So here we are finding the cube root. So we make the group of 3 numbers together. Make the pair of 3 numbers Now cube root of 216 equal to 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6 we get, children. Therefore cube root of 216 equal to 6. Number 5. Expand by using formula. Here children, we have to expand this question by using formula. Here children, we use the formula a plus b the whole bracket raised to cube equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Here this is the formula, children. With the help of this formula we expand this question. Therefore 3x plus 4y whole bracket raised to cube. So first we take first term cube. Here the first term is what, children? 3x, and second term is what, children? 4y. So here we take 3x raised to cube plus 3 into a. A means what, children? 3x. 3x raised to 2. B. B means what, children? 4y into 4y. Underline this 3 term, children. After that what we will take? Plus. 3 will be as it is into a means what is the, children? 3x. B means 4y whole bracket raised to 2 plus b means 4y cube. Here underline. Now children, 3 cube is what, children? Tell me. Yes. What is the 3 cube? Yes, 27x cube plus 3 we keep as it is, children. 3 square is what, children? Tell me. 3 square is 9. X square is x square. Okay, children. Now into 4y. Again underline. It means we have to multiply these all terms. Plus. Now 3 3s are 9x. Okay, children. Into 4 square is what, children? Tell me. 4y. 4 square is 16y square. Underline. After that, children, 4 cube is what, children? Yeah, 64y cube. Now children, 27x cube will be as it is plus, here children, 9 3s are 27. Now 27 into 4. Here you do the rough work, children. 27 into 4. 7 4s are 28. 4 2s are 8 plus 2. What you get? 4 2s are 8 plus 2, 10. So what is the answer, children? 108 x square y plus. Here children, 16 into 9. 16 9s are, children. If you don't know, then you have to do multiplication. 16 into 9. 9 6 are, what you get, children? Tell me. 54. 9 ones are 9 plus 5 you get 14. 114 x y square plus 64 y cube. This way, children, you have to find, okay, the answer of this question. Question number 6. Write in the form nth root of a. Here is the question, children. This question we have to write in the form of nth root of a. 512 raised to 1 upon 9. This index is in fraction, children. This is the numerator and this is the denominator. Numerator is known as power and denominator is known as root. Okay, children. So here how we will write, children? 9th root of 512. Okay children, ninth root of 512. Okay children, this way we have to write. Question number 7. Find the cube of minus 2 upon 5. Here children, we have to find the cube of minus 2 upon 5. For finding the cube of any number children, we have to multiply by itself number 3 times. Then we get cube of that particular number. Therefore, minus 2 upon 5 raised to 3, because here we are finding children cube equal to minus 2 upon 5 into minus 2 upon 5 into minus 2 upon 5. We have to multiply by itself number 3 times children. Now equal to 2 into 2 into 2. When we multiply 2 3 times, we get 8, and that is minus 8. 5 we multiply 3 times children, we get 125. So the cube of minus 2 upon 5 is minus 8 upon 125. Question number 8. Write the number in the form of rational indices. Here children, this number we have to write in the rational indices. Rational indices mean children, the index will be in the form of fraction. Okay. So first of all, what is given? Cube of. It means it is children what? Numerator. Cube of means it's a power. Okay children. Fourth root means it's a denominator. What is the denominator? 4. Okay. And cube of means children, it's a power. Means numerator. So how we have to write? 324, okay children, put in the bracket, raised to cube of means it's a numerator 3, and fourth root means children denominator. So what is the answer children? 324 raised to 3 upon 4. Okay, cube of means it's a power children, and root means it's a denominator, okay, of 324. Question number 9. Expand by using formula. Here children, we have to expand this question by using formula. Using formula, a plus b plus c whole bracket raised to square equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. You have to learn children this formula. If you know the formula, then only you can expand these questions. Without formula, you can't expand children. So everyone have to learn this formulas children. Okay. Now we are expanding the question. Therefore, p plus q plus 3 whole bracket raised to square. So first children, first term square. P square plus, now second term square, q square plus, the third term is what children? 3. So 3 put in the bracket and square plus, what is the children? 2ab means 2 into p into q. 2 into p into q. Underline children because we have to multiply. Plus, now what is there? 2bc means this is your b and this is your c. If you want children, you can write here a, b and c. Now 2 into q into 3. Again underline children, it means these 3 terms you have to multiply. Plus 2 into a and c. A is what children? P, and c is what children? 3. Again underline. Now children, p square will be p square, q square will be q square, plus 3 square is children 9 plus 2 into P into Q. So what you get? 2PQ plus 2 into 3. What you get children? 2 3s are 6 and Q. 6Q plus 2 3s are 6. 6P. Children, this way you have to expand by using formula. Question number 10. Find the value of x. Here children, in this question we have to find the value of x. Line M and line N, these two are parallel line children, okay, and this line P, okay children, is intersecting these two lines at two distinct points, okay, point here and here, okay children, it's intersecting. So that's why this line P is known as transversal. Okay children, first of all what we will write here children? Line M parallel to line N. So write down line M parallel to line N and P is a transversal. Okay children, now next, this 3x and x, these two angles are known as interior angles. Interior angles are always children supplementary. Supplementary means 180. Okay children, 180 degree. So we will write here, therefore 3x plus x equal to 180 degree. Okay, in the bracket you have to write property children, it's compulsory. Okay, so what the property we will write here? Interior angles are supplementary, means interior angles are 180 children, okay, 180 degree. Now therefore 3x plus x, what you get children? 4x equal to 180. Now here what we have to find out? X value, right? So we take children x equal to 180 upon 4. Okay, now we do the cancellation of these two number. 4 ones are 4 fours are 16. So 16 removed from 18, what's it remain? 2. 2 and 0, 5, means therefore x equal to 45 degree. Okay children, what is the value of the x? 45 degree.